Climbing up over this bank to get out of here, folks, and guess what I found? Nice blue marble. Blue cat's eye. First one of the year. Yeah. Get a focus on it. Sweet. I was wondering what the first one was going to be. There it is. Alright. Catch you later. Got my third marble of the year. Surface find. It was sitting there. Nice blue and white swirls on that. Beauty. Right on. On to the next. Okay, I think I got something here, folks. Something to lift my digging spirits. See that little spot of green? I think that's a marble. Sure looks like one. That'd be number 4 for the year for me. Cool. Looks like it's just all green. Right on. Things are starting to look up. Way up. Heading down to go digging, folks, and check it out. Haven't even got my shovel in the ground, and already there's a marble. Marble number 5 for this year so far. It's just an opaque blue one. Oh, there's another one. Same thing. Awesome. Numbers 5 and 6. Right on. I'll get you back up on if I find anything else. Still on my way down the hill, folks. Look what I spotted in here. Another blue marble. This is a cat's eye one though. See if we can get a focus on it. Yep, there we go. Found one like that down here a while ago. Okay, so that makes number 7 of the year, I think. COH, I think I caught up to you, buddy. And you might be ahead of me by now, though. Digging with Deej, I'm on your tail. Alright, catch you later. Well, I wouldn't believe it if I didn't do it myself, or witness it. I'm just heading back to the vehicle and stuck my shovel on the ground on the side of this bank, and lo and behold, a marble. That is marble number 8 for the year. Got a nice color to it. Blue and white. Baby blue and white with a dark blue line through it. Right on. Well, catch you later. And look what we got on the shovel. Marble number 9. Michael, just passed you, buddy. COH, you got some digging to do, my friend. Once the rain stops, digging with Deej. You must be getting close. Look at that beauty. Wow. That is a nice one. Right on. Alright. Okay, folks. Look at this. Marble number 10. Look at that beauty. Wow, man. Wow. That is gorgeous. This has got to be probably one of the best digs I've ever had. Alright, I might actually get out of here for now. Back another day. Catch you later.